The Better Buildings program really aims to be a sustainability catalyst in the Northwest Ohio region. We offer long-term, market-competitive, fixed-rate financing for energy-efficient improvements to commercial properties. PACE financing differs from other financing solutions because our repayment is collected through special assessment. The special assessment can be seen on the real estate tax schedule, and because of the placement of the special assessment, there's no lien placed on the property. Other unique features of PACE financing are that we can offer 100% financing for a project, as well as partnering well with other financing solutions.